I'm so lazy, and I don't want to do anything, and I suck at doing work, and I hate everything. I hate my life. I just want to die. Oh my goodness, this sucks so much. I wish there was a better alternative.
Is this you? Are you a lousy piece of shit that can't do anything for themselves? Well, I have the product for you. What's that? So the first thing you want to do to face the rich is hire underpaid employees. That is the number one thing you have to do. If you don't get those, then you're basically you're done. You get all this crap and moolah on the ground and on the table everywhere. So all you have to do is follow these rules. Employees, be the hierarchy.
What's up, moisty boys? I honestly don't know what this guy's talking about. He sounds like a total buffoon. I mean, this is worse than that time when I saw Mag, and it was really I mean, there was doll heads all over the fucking theater. It was terrible, and also Prime Megan Fox was there. She was really hot, and me and her hit it off. I mean, this is worse than that time. I mean, I just gotta say, like, this guy, like, really sucks at explaining things, so you should listen to me explain things. To be honest, go watch my social.
And as I was saying, these are the underpaid employees that have nothing to work for me. They are very compelling and love to work with me. They think I'm the coolest. I mean, they think I'm like their god. It's crazy because I see them in a refugee camp. They don't see me as people that are very hygienic place. It's working. I mean, I got this guy buying this place off like a sketchy website. I mean, I could beat this guy. I could just beat this guy. I'm just gonna beat this guy. I think I could shoot him and they wouldn't care because I'm the man. I'm just like shoot him right now.
Side effects may include underpaid employees, running against you, killing you, stabbing you, putting you in a crucifix, torturing you, stabbing you with a pitbull, eating you with a pitbull, eating you with chronically large knife. This is very bad, 9 times. Throwing gasoline on you and lighting you on fire, throwing you blood to drown you, putting you in a so your head so you die instantly, putting you in a pool so you can't breathe, drowning because someone spilled water on your face, lung cancer, lung cancer, lung cancer, lung cancer, lung cancer, leukemia, also leukemia, testicular distortion.
La 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 la